Welcome to RAINTECH Software Limited. Today in this video, we are going to see a billing software, retail billing software. This software using for groceries, supermarket, department store, gift shop, and hardware shop, plumbing shop, etc. And this software name is Retail Daddy Vat Edition. This using for VAT, which are the countries there is a VAT, we can use this software. And which are the countries there is no tax, there also you can use this software. So let me introduce myself. My name is SHIBIN, CEO, RAINTECH Software Limited, and I will demonstrate you how to operate this software, how to make barcode labels, how to make bills, how to make inventory, stock, everything, and accounting reports, everything I can show you. So let me go to the software. Here I can show you how to add new products in the software. So go to the add new products, product add smart button, click on that, and here you can simply type like Excel sheet. It will go to the inventory directly. For example, I am typing here computer and clicking on enter, and enter, for example, purchase price, for example, $1,000, whatever it is. Enter. Any tax is there. Opening stock, for example, 2 pieces. Enter MRP, for example, $1,200. So enter retail price, $1,100. Enter, automatically saved. See, which are the products you added here, it comes in the top. And if you want to create barcode label, you can create barcode label here itself directly. Click on that and let me zoom in. See, the computer which you added, and the MRP and sale price and the corresponding QR codes and barcodes and all. And here your address will come, your shop name and all. And this all part is customizable. And for example, if you want to change the design, the sticker size, everything is customizable. So if you want to create the printout, let me show you how to create the printout. For creating the printout, let me open my barcode printer here, and I am going to use this printer, and okay, and how many copies if you want to print, for example 10 copies, and let me open it and apply and print. See, the print came here directly. I put around 10 numbers of printouts. And let me show you the quality, how this. See, this is all stickers basically. You can peel it off and you can fix to any products directly. This is all stickers. See this one. This you can put in any of your product, and you can scan the product and you can sell it. Let me demonstrate you how to make the sales. For that, you can go to POS panel over here and go there, and here you can select the bill design as per you need. Here I am selecting the barcode, and here you can simply scan it like that. See, your computer is already here, and in the keyboard you can click F4 button. Here you can see, or in the keyboard directly you can press that button. Let me show you. In this keyboard, you can create this button, press this button, and immediately you can see the printout preview. See this one. And to take the printout, you can click on F6 directly, and I just take the printout outside. See this one. All this data you can customize as per your requirement. And one more sales panel is there. You can choose either both sales panel in this software. And here is the purchase entry basically. Here you can do all the purchases in this software. So the Retail Daddy 1.6 is same like our Retail Daddy GST edition, same VAT edition we converted. So this is particularly for Gulf countries. So for more doubts and clarifications, please feel free to contact us. We can show you the demo directly. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you. Bye-bye.